Bonjour. Today we are looking at the way that we introduce ourselves, which expressions that we use. Again, this video is in complement of my teaching at UC Santa Cruz. It is not intended to be used as itself, just for pronunciation. So some examples that we can use, something more formal like bonjour, comment tu t'appelles, je m'appelle Sue, salut, je m'appelle Jack et toi, enchanté, etc. Donc, salut compared to bonjour is more informal. Bonjour, moi je m'appelle Madame Caillou. Comment vous appelez-vous? That would be very formal. That's also what I use in class when I address one student or all of them. It doesn't matter. The use of the vous is very important, especially when you don't know people yet. You can start by vous, and if they say, oh, let's use tu, that's perfect, you can switch. But it's better to be more polite and to be told, oh, we can be more relaxed than the other way. Je m'appelle. Okay, so what will you use? I have context clues. My name is. Je m'appelle. So we don't say mon nom est. That's weird. When we introduce ourselves, we'll say, oh, bonjour, je m'appelle René. Et toi? I am from. Je suis de. Je suis de. Again, this exercise is mostly for pronunciation. So, to introduce yourself, we'll say bonjour. That's always a good start. And you will say, je m'appelle René Caillou. Je suis de Paris, en France, pas au Texas, etc. So that's our first step, okay? So let's work on pronunciation again, but this time of vowels. All our letters, vowels and consonants. Let's work on the alphabet. Okay, so be careful, as we have said, the vowels are tense in French, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? The big difference with English, there are a couple of them. One would be the different G, J. Okay? That would be mostly it. And then you have also E, I, V, W, double V, W, Y, the Greek I, Y. Okay? Okay, to spell your name, you will say, je m'appelle, and you give your name, Madame Caillou. Caillou, ça s'écrit. How do you spell Caillou? Caillou is written C-A-I 2 L-O-U-X. So we will say deux when you have a consonant or vowel that is repeated. 2 L. Okay? So you can practice spelling your own name. Numbers. Same thing, we are looking at pronunciation, and of course you can always also practice the spelling. That's always a good idea. 0, 1. So yes, 0, we have that little accent. that makes it E. Otherwise, it would be 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's continue. Let's say them in reverse. De 10 à 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ok. Randomly, on va les a tous mélangés. 8, 4, 2, 10, 7, 1, 3, 5, 9, 6, 0. That's it. That was your first introduction to numbers, letters, and some ways to introduce yourself and to tell your name. Bonne journée.